Hey YouTube, TNT here. Alright, so it's super early in the morning, been on the road for a couple hours now. On my way to pick up a new bike. Pretty excited about this. Never thought that I would find another one of these so soon, but I did. And the guy accepted my offer. It's a long drive to pick it up, but it's going to be well worth it. So, see you when I pick up the bike. Okay, so I'm back from picking up the bike. Here it is. Hope you guys like it, because I'm pretty excited about this one. So this is a 1989 CR500. I had no intentions in buying another CR500 so soon. But I just could not pass this up. I fired the bike up. It's got a brand new top end in it. The cylinder was actually done by Mongoose, the same outfit that did my CR250 top end, which is working out quite well. This bike does need a few parts, but the majority of it is all restorable. It's very minor stuff that needs to be changed. I'm going to try and fire it up for you here. It's pretty cold out, but I'll do my best just to give it a quick fire up so you can hear what it sounds like. So I'll just tell you what the plans are for this bike. Originally, I bought this bike with my daughter. We went halfers on it as an income to make money off of it. Not to do a full restoration or anything like that. Then after seeing the bike and having a good look at it, I'm going to have to decide whether or not I keep this bike. I think I would really like to have all three of the 89 CRs. The 125, 250, and 500. I now have the 125 and the 500, and I know where there is a 250. It's going to need a new clutch cover. This clutch cover, try not to get in the way of the light here. This clutch cover's been repaired. Okay, clutch covers are reasonably priced for this bike. I'm gonna have to take that pipe in and have it fixed. It's not in that bad a shape that I'm gonna need to get a new one. I think I would like to just keep the stock pipe on this bike and get it fixed up. Other than that, it's just a bunch of cosmetic things. Decals are cheap for this bike. I'm not even gonna replace that seat cover. I'm just gonna clean it up, still in good shape. We'll get the proper front number plate for this bike, which is a white one. Get those handguards off of there. Get a new set of handlebars for it. And then it's just a massive amount of cleanup and plastic restoration. I may even consider just getting a new plastic kit for this. UFO still makes the plastic for this bike. All this plastic is in restorable condition. But due to man hours, sometimes it just makes sense to get new plastic. I'm gonna have to get a new silencer. I can see that. I might actually have one at home that I can use. So that's about it. That is my new and exciting bike. So let's see if we can get this thing fired up so you can have a listen to it. So there you have it. Bike runs really well. She's running a little bit rich right now, I think. Pull that carburetor apart and figure out if all the jetting is right. I did buy this bike from somewhere a little higher up, so we'll have to make sure that the jetting is correct. But I'm really excited that everything is on this bike. I mean, I don't have to buy a lot of stuff for it. I can restore it all if I want, or if I choose to actually go out and buy it, I can. So that's it. The new surprise CR500. Never thought I'd have another one so quick. Pretty darn excited. All right, I want to thank everybody for coming and watching my videos. Please subscribe, leave some comments, share with your friends. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook at TNT Moto, and I will catch you next video.
We about to turn it on. Turn it